Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be talking about Nioxin and their scalp recovery kit. So this recovery kit deals particularly with dandruff. Managing dandruff can feel like a constant battle, but Nioxin have designed this scalp recovery kit as a complete no-fuss solution for men dealing with flakiness, itchiness, and just general dandruff. So today we're going to be going through the system, breaking down each product and talking about how to use them.
And guys, if you enjoy watching content like this, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, the first product we're going to talk about is the Purifying Shampoo. So this is the first step of the routine, and this shampoo pretty much just removes any excess oil, dirt, or product buildup that can be left on the scalp. When you do have that kind of product buildup or dirt that is left on the scalp, it can lead to clogging your pores, and pretty much that's what causes dandruff and itchiness on the scalp. So this shampoo pretty much just goes in, cleans that all up, and leaves your scalp feeling nice and fresh. Another bonus is that it is gentle enough for regular use. So yeah, it is safe to use quite frequently. It won't dry out your scalp, and then it's also just a great step leading into the conditioner, which Lukey will talk about.
Yeah, so next up is the Scalp Recovery Moisturising Conditioner, which really focuses on soothing and hydrating the scalp while also softening the hair. This is a key step to reduce the irritation and dryness that comes with the issue of dandruff, so it pairs perfectly with the shampoo.
Alright, on to the last product in this system, and that is the Scalp Soothing Serum. This is a leave-in treatment that pretty much relieves any scalp discomfort that you might get while also promoting scalp health. It's super easy to apply. You pretty much just apply it to the target areas where you might be itching and you might get irritation, and pretty much what it does is that you apply it, it absorbs quickly, and then it will relieve that itchiness feeling and preventing you from itching your scalp and causing those flakes and causing dandruff. So yeah, this is a great product, and with all the products working together in this one kit, it's really beneficial in terms of targeting dandruff and any scalp concerns. Guys, that wraps up this video. If you did want to try out the Nioxin Scalp Recovery System Kit, we'll leave a link in the description below. Or if you wanted to explore the rest of the Nioxin range, we'll leave a link in the description below for that too. But in saying that, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. In saying that, just remember, do it with confidence.